Santa here. Now there's 3 things I like to do after the holidays, and actually it's just a couple of days before the New Year's. Is 1, I like to shave down the beard, and 2, I like to come to sunny Australia where it's not wintertime down here, it's summertime, and as you can see, the beaches are jam-packed with everybody and anybody that wants to get in the water all the way up the hills. And then for the third part of what I like to do, I'll show you in just a minute. So here I am with part 3 of what
Brekkie burger.
Brekkie burger.
Not brekkie, not brekkie.
Are you sure?
It's a brekkie burger.
Oh, what would you know with that accent of yours? Brekkie burger. And it's 3 parts. 2 eggs, 2 pieces of ham, cheese on a bread, and it's eaten between meals. And you can see the Zuby's menu right here. And I'll never pronounce it right, but I know how to eat them.
But it's brekkie because Australians shorten everything.
Right.
So right now is Chrissy.
Yes, it is. It's Chrissy time, almost New Year's.
And you get Chrissy prezzies.
Alrighty then. Ho ho. I don't know.